Hello everyone, I am Shobhik Manna, a PhD student at NCRA. I will be talking about probing cosmic ray electron propagation in nearby galaxies using low radio frequency observations. I am doing this work under the supervision of Subhashish Roy. CREs are believed to be originated in the supernova remnants. After generations, CREs propagate away from their origin. The propagation of CREs are influenced by multiple physical processes in the ISM. Existing models of CRE propagation invoke a combination of three key mechanisms: diffusion, streaming instability, and advection. In case of streaming instability, CREs propagate along magnetic field lines in regions of highly ordered magnetic fields, whereas in advection, CREs could be transported along with the bulk motion of the gas. However, there is no clear prediction of which mechanism of CRE propagation dominates in different galaxies. The propagation length scale of synchronous emitting CREs has different dependencies on the radiating frequencies for each of the three mechanisms. Thus, observations of nearby galaxies at multiple radio frequencies can be used to understand the nature of CRE propagation in galaxies. From this figure, it is clear that as we go towards low frequencies, the contribution of the free emission becomes very low. Therefore, low frequency radio observations are excellent probe of CRE propagation in nearby galaxies. GMRT P-band observations at 330 MHz are uniquely suited to study synchrotron radio emission from nearby galaxies at a linear resolution below 1 kPa. The local volume legacy survey is a volume limited survey of nearby galaxies up to a distance of 11 megaparsec. For GMRT observation, we selected 46 galaxies out of 258 galaxies. The excellent multi-wavelength data on LVL galaxies make the sample an excellent choice for our low radio frequency survey. As a pilot project, we have observed and analyzed 7 out of 46 galaxies using the legacy GMRT. The figure shows 0.33 GHz contours of NGC 4096, which is overlaid on the 24 micron map in grayscale. These GMRT images are the most sensitive images of the galaxies at 0.33 GHz. We studied the radio FIR correlation of the 7 galaxies to investigate the effect of CRE propagation on the radio FIR correlation. From this study, the exponent of the correlation at 0.33 GHz was found to be significantly lower than the exponent at 1.4 GHz. This flattening of the correlation at low frequencies can be explained as the effect of larger CRE propagation at lower frequencies. To estimate the propagation scale length of CREs, we convolve the FIR image with appropriate kernel until the slope of the radio FIR correlation becomes 1. We used radio observations at 0.33, 1.4 and 6 GHz and FIR observations at 70 micron for this study. We find that the simple diffusion model could explain the frequency dependent CRE propagation length scales for only 2 galaxies. Streaming instability could explain the results for the majority of the remaining ones. We have also observed another 24 galaxies using UGMRT at 300 to 500 megahertz. UGMRT observations can provide deep images of nearby galaxies at low radio frequencies, which can be used to study the CRE propagation for a larger sample. Thank you.